Hey there friends, I've got something cool to show you when watching YouTube's videos. If you keep your eyes peeled, some creators put little polls and other cool things in the videos. So here you can see there's an advertiser that you can just skip when it says skip ad. When that starts playing, keep your eye up on this corner and watch what happens. In the middle of this video, it could be for fun, it could also be because I really want information. It'll pop up a little eye saying, hey, do you want to answer the question? There it is. Which is it? And I want to know, was it the forwards are too fast, the camera system's a drag, or if it's lollygaggers? And we're going to say that this time it was that the forwards were too fast. And then the other question is, if you could pick one, do you want the video with all the goals for all the games? Do you want the video with the top 10 goals, or do you just want the saves? And I'm going to say the video with all the goals if I had to pick one. You don't have to answer this on your first time you watch the video. You can answer it later, but there you can see how cool it is to be able to have polls in the middle of our videos. Those little things can also link to other cool videos that may be important to the content, and so on and so forth. So hey friends, thanks for watching. If you get a chance, please like the video. If you're interested in subscribing, please hit that subscribe button. And last but not least, if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new HLModTech video, click that little bell to receive your notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and see you next time.